Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to translate a PDF to any language in Windows 11. It is a very simple process using the Google Translator. You can also translate the Word file to any language by using this translator. To start the conversion, open Google Chrome and search for Google Translate and open the link. Here you can see 4 different options such as text, images, documents, and websites. Click on Documents and upload the PDF file that you want to translate, or drag and drop the PDF file inside the cloud icon. After uploading, select the language you want to translate. Click the down arrow to get all available language for translate. Search for the language you want and select it. Then, click the Translate button and it will start translating. After completing, you can download the translated PDF document. Right here, the PDF language is translated to German. That's it. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.